in a moment.
Okay. While you're up, would you get the chips, please? Thank you.
Where are they?
At the bottom of one of the Abigail's pram, is it?
Another eye tooth in the middle.
It's got 4.
Oh,
Abigail's pram.
I can't see
Jack's pram.
the second.
Stand up.
Oh.
The second big tooth. So.
Yeah, it's just literally.
It's actually really nice in the water, surprisingly. Really cold in the wind. Isn't that Ned?
You
still love me?
Yeah, I
Still love me, Ned? Sure.
Sorry, Michelle. You're the first one I grabbed.
No, don't bother me.
Well, it does bother
It
Zach.
might bother Zach, but it won't bother me.
We could send someone home to get the other ones.
Yeah, it's just like a necklace.
You better pass me some.
Yeah, it's like
Joy, thanks.
They're too hot. They're too hot.
Yummy, yummy.
It's just the end.
You got it cold. Got it cold already.
Sorry, Zach. We've got some at home for you.
You could eat them and work out if they're
I feel so mean. That's Ned. Ned's having a little sleep. Hello, Ned. Uh-oh. Yes. Ned.
Beautiful water.
Hello, sugar puff.
Has he had a haircut, Michelle, or not?
Monday, I've booked him in for Monday.
Because he looks like he's still got baby hair.
Bit
Where's
fluffy,
Uncle Jono?
just around his ears and at the back.
Yeah.
So it's not so much of a mullet.
Are you going to keep the hair?
I'll keep a little bit, yeah, put it in the book.
Yeah. Sorry?
Can you do wolf?
We'll have to work on that. Because you weren't saying moo last week, were you? Zach,
Whoa!
hey, Zach. What do you do if it's cold? He hops out of the shower even if it's not cold. What's up? Come on then. You in the shade?
You warming up, little guy? Yeah, you warming up? Mm-hmm. At least your lips aren't blue yet. Like last time. They went blue.
Can you see you? There. Can you see you? Oh, hello, Ned.
We need to train her to like bought food.
I bought a
She'll eat the first few spoons and then even just the fruit sort of desserty ones, which I thought she would eat those.
Must admit, it's a weird idea when I first saw them. It's like a toothpaste type,
I mean, it's the same as what's in the jars. It's just
Yeah.
marketing.
Almost there, you made it.